5 boxes will be connected to each other. So all these 5 boxes are like one giant, like inside it's just one giant hunk of metal. So when you push something
So this is a diode, the orange part. So when you look into it, there is like a little black light on top of it, right? So that's gonna
As the red. The reason you want to have it on the same row is because all these 5 little squares are interconnected.
Aquí entró y va por la línea, por la misma línea y sale por aquí. Y ahora está aquí, está en esta línea. You have to make So, no, you can move this one to that row. So now we're completed. And since it doesn't turn on,
Put your diode that completes the second part. So then if we pull out the remaining components, okay, so what you have now, we'll move on to that. We have a resistor. Right. So if you look on your board, we have 2 remaining missing.
So they all make different noises.
So like let's say if I didn't have this, right, it'd be a louder sound. But by putting the resistance on,
Measurement of how high the resistance
it's still working. It's still working.
If you know programming languages, then you can do it with this. You guys know it.
Okay, how do you do
Oh,
that?
there you go.
Reset it. Oh, no, it's still
Arduino
working.
coding. So they get folded toes and everything. Yeah. I need one of those. And then another one was
I'm gonna destroy
opening toes with the vent. Oh. And usually you start doing things also like robots. Yeah. I'm just gonna yeah, that's awesome. Oh yeah.
So physics.
Oh, it's still going. You do it, go. Try it. Oh.
Just reset. Someone else?
Fix it. Fix it.
And not all the way down because you're going to flip. Not all the way down. Just refresh. Good. There you go.
one mode control X, one mode Y, you program
Yeah, put your head up and down. And then turn right and then left. Okay, so whatever your head moves, your camera will move.
Get closer to the table.
Sorry, just move your head.
Short cable.
Up and down. Reset.
That's crazy, huh?